children, I am discussing 4.1 exercise from NCERT book, children. NCERT book, exponents and teaching children, exponents. So 8th class, please hear all of it. Cooperate with the children. First question. Okay. So first question, Raghuram, 4 to the power of minus 3. What we can write 4 to the power of minus 3? Simplify. Simplify 4 to the power of minus 3. Minus, if you want to make it plus, you can write as 4 to the power of 4 cube. 1 by 4 cube. 1 by 64. 1 by 64. Okay. Next, minus 2 to the power of 7. Minus 2 to the power of 7. What we can write this? Raghuram, minus 2 to the power of 7.
Yes, sir. Sir, minus 2 into minus 2, we need to write 7 times.
So minus 2 to the power of 7 will be how much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 is 64, 64 minus 128. Okay. Raghuram, you want to do one more time? 3 by 4 to the power of minus 3. 3 by 4 to the power of minus 3. Simplify that.
Yes, sir. 4 by 3 whole to the power 3.
Okay.
64 by 27. 4 cube by 3 is equals to 64 by 27.
Next time you want to do minus 3 to the power of minus 4. Minus 3 to the power of minus 4. What we can write this as?
Sir, minus 3 to the power 1 by minus 3 whole to the power 4 is equals
Just
to
minus it down, goes down, it becomes plus 1 by
81.
1 by 81. Next. Next. Pravalika, you do simplify this one. First one, 1 by 2 to the power of 4, 1 by 2 to the power of 3, 1 by 2 to the power of 6. How to do this? When base are same?
Powers can
When base are same, powers can be
added.
added. Okay, beautiful.
For
1 by 2 to the power of 7 plus 6, 13. Okay, next in this only one more sum is there. Nadika, can you tell this sum? Minus 2 to the power of 7, minus 2 to the power of 3, minus 2 to the power of 4. Nadika, can you say this sum?
Yes, sir.
Base are same?
Powers can be added. 7 plus 3 plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 14.
14. Okay, next. 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 to the power of 4. Nadika, can you say how to do this sum? 4 by
Yes,
4?
sir. 5 to the power of 4 by 4. 4 to the power of 4 cancel and
625. 5 to the power of 4 is 625.
okay, sir.
Next.
I thought 5
Can you
minus.
tell the sum? 5 by 4 by 5 by 6 into 5 by 3. 5 to the power of 3. Can you say the sum? 5 to the power of minus 4.
Yes, sir. Anything, sorry. 5 minus 4, 5 to the power of minus 4 plus 6. It is minus,
Plus
it
3.
is 2. Okay, plus 3.
Minus 4. This is going up means it is become plus 3 plus 6. So 5 to the power of
5 to the power of minus 4 plus 9. 5 to the power of 5.
5 to the power of 5. Okay. So next. Next one, third sum. Simplify. Third sum. Okay, Raghuram, can you say the sum? So question is like this.
Yes,
2
sir.
square into 3 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1. Can you tell how to do this sum? Just
Yes.
simplify.
Yes, sir. 2 square in 2 square in plus 2
Minus 2 if it comes up plus 2.
is the into 3 square minus 3 to 3 whole to the power
When base are same, powers can be added.
add
2 to the
is
power
equals
of
to
4 into 3 to the
4
power of 1.
into 3 to 1.
2 to the power of 4 is how much?
16, sir, into 3 is equals to 48.
48. Okay, next see here children. So next what is the question? 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. This is the question. Okay, how to do this children? 1 by 4, 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. Okay, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. So 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 6. So 1 by 12 into 6 by 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 children. That is equal to 1 by 2. Like this here. Okay, some more simple. children, like this one, same variety. See here. Next. Nandita, can you say this? Nandita. 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 into 5 square. Nandita, can you say this?
Sir. 4 to the power of 0. Okay.
Anything to the power of 0 is 1.
1 plus 5 to the 1 to the power of 5 whole to the power of. Sir, 1 on. Okay, sir. I got confused.
Okay. So when base are same, you have to take LCM. 1 5 is 5, 5 is 5 plus 1 into 5 square. 6 into 5 square by 5. 1 square, 1 5 1. 6 5 30 is the answer. Okay. Next question, children. So 1 by 2 to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 4 to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 to the power of minus 3. Okay, children, so 1 by 4, 2 to the power of minus 3, 1 by 4 to the power of minus 3, 1 by 5 to the power of minus 3. If you want to make it plus, children, this you have to reverse. 2 cube, this also reverse. 4 cube, this also reverse. 5 cube. 2 cube is 8, 4 cube is 64 into 125. So 125 into 8. What is 125 into 8, children? 125 into 8 is 1000. 1000 into 64 is 64,000. 1000 into 64 is 64,000. Like this, you have to. If you want to remove minus, you have to reverse it. If you want to remove minus, you have to reverse it. If you want to remove minus, you have to reverse it. Reverse it and do the sum, children. Next, one more question. So question is like this, children. What is the question? Is 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1. Okay. Plus 4 to the power of minus 1. Plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 by 4. Into 3 by 4. Okay. So, Pravalika, can you tell how to do this?
Yes, sir. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4.
Into 3 by 4. So you have to take the LCM.
Else
So 2, 3, 4 LCM is
12.
very good. 2, 6 are
6 plus 4 plus 3.
into 3 by 4. 3 4s are, so 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is
13 by 4.
13 by 16.
16.
13 by 16. Like this. So you have to be very careful, children. Where you do sums, where minus is there, where plus is there, you have to check that, and you have to do the sums, children. Hope you are able to understand. Next sum, children. And erasing this. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Keep copying and practice them, children, after the class. Next one. Okay, next one. Gaurav, can you say this one? 3 minus 2 by 3 to 3 to the power of 0 minus 3 to the power of minus 1.
Sir, can you move the both slides? Yes, sir. 3 to the power 1 by
This if you bring down
3 to the power
1 by 3, 1.
1 into 1 by into 3 square 1 minus 1 by 3.
Because 3 to the power of minus 1, 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. 1 by 3 27 into 1 3 minus 1 1 by 27 into 2 by 3 2 by 51.
81. 2 by 8. So like that, yeah. Next, Nandika, can you say this one? Nandika, can you say this one? 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of 0. Nandika, can you say this? This is 1. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 3. This is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 2 and 3 are same 6. 1 6 are 6, 6 2 are 12. 2 3 are 3 1 are 3. 3 2 are 2 1 are 2. 15 17. 17 by 6. Okay. Next. 3 by 2 to the power of minus 2 whole to the power of 2. 3 by 2 to the power of minus 4, children. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Because a to the power of m whole to the power of m is a to the power of m. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. So because minus is there, to make it plus, you have to reverse both the cases. 2 by 3 to the power of 4. That is 2 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. This is how much, children? 16. This is how much? 81. 16 by 81 is the answer. Okay, children, next. First one. Okay. Yeah. Raghav, can you say this one? 3 square minus 2 square divided by 1 by 5 whole square. How to do
Yes,
this?
sir. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 divided by 1 by 5 whole square. 5 divided by 1 by 5 whole square. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 whole square is equals to 25 square is equals to 625.
Very good. Raurika, can you say this one?
Yes, sir.
5 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 6. This will become what?
5 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Divided by 5 to the power of 6. 5 to the power of 10 by 5 to the power of 6 is equal to 5 to the power of 10 minus 6 is equal to 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 16.
6. So children, when division is there, directly we can multiply if you want. Or directly we can subtract. Children, if addition is there, if multiplication is there, we will add them. In the same way, if division is there, directly we can subtract them. Division is there, directly we can subtract them. Hope you are able to understand. Please practice the sums of the class. Next, Nalika is there. Next. So
Sir,
children, your question is 2 by 3 to the power of 1, 2 by 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power of n minus 2. What is the value of n? When weights are same,
sir, powers can be added.
so 1 plus 5 is 6.
6 and is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 3. When bases are same, powers can be evaluated. 6
Yeah,
is
when weights
equal
are
to
same, powers can be compared. So 6 is equal to
6 is equal to n minus 2. 6 is equal, n is equal to 6
8.
plus 2, 8.
Say one more time. Minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 to the power of 5 is equal to minus 3 to the power of minus 4. How? When weights are same,
Powers can be added.
powers can be added. Okay.
Plus
So
5
minus 3
is
to the
equal
power of
to minus 3 to the power of minus 4. Minus 3 to the power of n plus 6 is equal to minus 3 to the power of minus 4.
when weights
Bases
are
are
same,
same, powers can be compared. N plus 6 is equal to 4. N is equal to, sorry, minus 4. Minus 4, minus 6, minus 10.
minus 4 plus 6 it becomes 6 minus 6. When weights are same, powers can be compared. When weights are same, powers can be
Compared.
equated. Okay, compared or equated. Next. The children, we have to practice. Children, if you practice, some sort of we will use each other. Next question. Pradika, can you say this? 7 to the power of 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 cube.
7 to the power of 2n plus 1 is divided by 7 square is equal to 7 cube.
When division is there, put directly subtraction.
7 to the power of 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 7 cube.
When bases are same, powers can be equal.
Compare 2n plus 1
Minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1.
2n is equal to 3, 4. N is equal to 2.
N is equal to 2. Next, Laura, can you say this one?
Yes, sir.
2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. Find the value of x.
2 to the power of minus 3 is equals to 2 to the power of minus x. If
Okay.
bases is the same, powers could be equated. Minus 3 is equals to minus x, minus hence x is equals to 3.
X is equal to 3. Very good. Next. Nandika, can you say this one? 3 by 4 to the power of minus 2 plus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 1. 4 by 5 to the power of minus 1 into 3 by 5 to the power of minus 2. Can you say?
Sir, we should open the brackets.
Okay, if you now this is division. This is division.
Okay, sir.
This is division or addition? Can you see and tell me? This is division or addition?
So division, sir, I guess.
Division. Yeah. So tell me, remove the subtraction here. Remove the minus sign.
The 3 by 3, sorry, 4 by 3 to the power of square,
Okay.
and it is 5 by 4 into 5 by 3
All to the power. First we have removed
whole
all.
square
We have removed all minus.
minus.
Okay, 4 4 is 16. 3 3 is 9. Into if I keep this will become reverse.
Okay, sir. 4 by 5 into 25 by 3.
25 by 9. 3 3 is 9. 5
So
5 is so that's all. So
nothing else can be cancelled.
okay, 320 by 81. So this is the question, this is the answer. Because questions are blurred, little bit confusing is there, but no problem. This is so n is equal to 3, n is equal to 2. Question is find the value of 9n square minus 10n cube. 10n cube. 9n square minus 10n cube. Raghuram, can you say if n is 3 and n is equal to 2, what is the value of 9n square minus 10n cube?
So 9 into 3 square minus 10 into 2 cube. 9 into 9 81 minus 80 is equals to 1.
Pravalika, can you say this one? 2m square n square. Pravalika, can you say 2m square n square? So 2 into 3 square and 2 square. 2 into 9 into 4. 2 9 is 18, 18 4 is 7. Okay, so next one. Next one 2m plus 3n square minus 5n square n. Okay, so Nandika, can you say m and n value substitution? 2 into 3. 3 into 2 square. 5 into
My 5 into 3 square. Sir,
3
I
square
didn't
into 2.
understand.
M and n, that's all. M instead of M3 you have to put, instead of
Okay.
N you have to put 2. 2 3 is 6.
6
Oh.
and 12 to 10 and 90. 70.
Minus 32. Okay. So minus 32. So simplify and give reasons. So question is, Raghuram, can you say this one?
Yes, sir.
4 by 7 to the power of minus 3 into 7 by 4 to the power of minus 7. Can you say, can you simplify
Yes.
this?
Sir, 7 by 4 whole cube into
This will keep as it is.
4 by
And
7 minus
this you
into-
revise
yes, sir. 4 and 4 by 7 whole to the power minus 7.
when base are same, powers can be.
To be added, 4 by 7 whole to the power minus 3 plus 7 is equals to 4 by 7 whole to the power 4.
That's 4 by 7 to the power of 4. That's it. So this is how we have to do sums, children. Anyone have any doubts in children in these questions? So like this we have to do, children. I hope you copy all the sums. Please keep copying, children, and practice all the sums, children. How many sums you practice, that much strong will become, children, in this lesson. This is exponents.